Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Feels like you're dodging a bullet, right? Well, here's why you might not want to do it. When you hold in a sneeze, all that pressure meant to shoot out at 100 miles per hour gets redirected back into your body. It can burst tiny blood vessels in your eyes, nose, or even eardrums. And here's the kicker. Suppressing a sneeze traps bacteria and irritants inside your nose. Instead of holding it in, just let it out. But aim for a tissue or your elbow to keep it clean. Your body will thank you. So next time your nose tickles, don't fight it. Sneeze like a champ.